Welcome to Palm Springs, California. I'm on vacation. Ready, Don Pepe? This is the first day of my vacation that I haven't been sick for. Everyone here got a stomach virus and we all spent the whole time vomiting. But it's also the last day of my vacation. So, what good timing. Let's do some makeup, shall we? I learned how to make old-fashioned style coffee today. I did this. I learned how to do this. I'm only going to use a small amount of foundation to cover any dark circles because my skin looks nice and I feel like the best way for me to keep it that way is to use a little less and just embrace it. And since it is vacation, it's kind of all about bronzer and blush, right? I'm going to use my beauty blender. Still very much need some concealer. Maybe a little on my chin. Okay. We're gonna keep it just a little I'm gonna edit out anything that you speak or do because I don't want you in my video. Can I have a sip of that? Now I'm going to add so much blush because I just feel like that's what a really fresh face is all about. This is the most flattering and disguising lighting of all time too. It's like lying lighting. I also bit my lip yesterday, so this side of my lip is funky looking. Same palette, but the bronzer. I'm not going to set my under eye concealer because I want to look a bit dewy today. And I'm basically putting the bronzer everywhere that I can. Here's the face makeup with a little bit of different lighting. I'm gonna skip any highlight or anything like that and just kind of keep it blushy and bronzy. I'm also not gonna do anything to my eyebrows because my friend and I thought it would be fun to dye our eyebrows on this trip. And mine really took to the dye so tremendously. They are so dark. This is them with no product in it, and it's just crazy looking and like a lot, and I don't think it's something I should ever do again. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you like it. You don't have to let me know if you don't like it. I get it. I'm not the hugest fan. It's a lot. My eyebrows are already a lot. But we just thought it would be fun, right? Why not? Why not experiment? Don Pepe! Don Pepe, come here! Don Pepe, come here. He's the slowest walking dog. Don Pepe, come here. I wanted to go somewhere else to do my eye makeup. Oh, Don Pepe, what is it. Sorry about the dumpsters in the background, but the lighting dictates the makeup, not the other way around. I'm using the Elements palette from Urban Decay. It's actually the only one I brought on this trip because I thought I would wear a lot of fun colors. And I've actually just been using the kind of bronzy shades, which is what I'm going to do today. I'll do like a burnt orange bronzy eye. So I feel like, you know, oh, is that beautiful? I love that. I'm really just gonna stick to these shades here. And then just use my finger for the Fool's Gold shade, which is so pretty. And woo! Added a lot of gold. I'm so into it though, I like it. Do the same thing over here. Gold, little orangey, kind of matches my outfit nicely. Done, baby? Come here. Come here. Come here. I skipped the eyeliner and just put on some mascara off camera, and now I'm going to use this Doll 10. It's a dual-sided stick and gloss. And just kind of put some on to finish off. I love lip gloss, by the way. How do I look? Oh my God. He hates it. I think what we determined was my mom put lemon seeds too close to the tangerine. So these are half lemons, half tangerines. They're good. They're not good enough that like major fruit has decided that this is a thing we should eat. But they're weird looking too, aren't they? Are these the tangerine lemons? Okay. I hope this doesn't kill me. Nice, easy. Ooh, look at this. I'm like a little farmer girl. Vacation makeup. It's for a website called YouTube. Ever heard of it? No. That's not right. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good.
What?
Hold it down more like...
Hello, how are you?
This isn't live. Nice, easy, daytime vacation makeup.